Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Alam mo na naman nga pala, sama ko si Sylvia.
Yo!
Today's vlog natin, tuturuan tayo ni Sylvia paano magluto ng adobo. Kulit tayo, no? Ako yung Pilipino, ako yung tuturuan. So yun, check natin kung kaya niya gawin. So yun, ito yung manok. Tsaka marami na siyang alam lutuin na Pilipino na pagkain. Tinapay din yung no.
What? You want to fried chicken spoon? We have fried chicken spoon.
Yan, tapos na yung chicken skin. Are you gonna make adobo now?
Yes.
So what's first?
Oil. Needs to get hot.
Okay.
And then we're gonna fry it a little bit. And then we're gonna add the marinade, and we're gonna add water, and we're gonna add spices, and it'll be adobo.
That's it.
Yeah.
Fine.
No. You good? No.
Lalagay na yung manok sa sa pan. What happened to the sauce? Nagasalin.
What happened?
Lang.
Hmm? Okay, now this one needs to fry a bit on both sides, and then we're gonna add some water and let it boil.
Kaya kung di nakakain ng chicken adobo guys. Ano, when the last time I did it? No, remember.
Yeah. When I made it, no?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
A year ago.
Nagit ng taon na yata siguro na ako makakain ng adobo na. Sigurado masarap yan, man. So, hintayin lang natin siya maluto. Tapos sabi niya lalagay daw itong extra sauce taas. Are you gonna put water after?
Yeah.
And counting tubig lang.
Also more soy.
Some more soy sauce, some more vinegar. Sugar? You put sugar?
Let's see.
Try natin
Should be
mamaya.
a bit, but let's see. Let's see.
What? Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Tigit lang. Halaman ni Sylvia. Cute po. Pinya. Ano gano'n siya kaligot? Meron din kaming tanim na saging sa kwarto. And then house it. So yun guys, nilupod na sauce. Nagiluto na yung manok.
Oh my god.
Yung water.
Should cover the chicken?
Hmm?
We'll bring it to boil and then let it cook for half an hour. I mean, we'll bring it to boil, then we have seasoning, and then we'll let it cook.
Ito na ako guys. You hungry?
Yeah.
So hungry. You know what I'm gonna do? I can cook rice. Luto muna tayong kanin. Ayun guys, di ko alam kung paano kayo magsukat ng tubig sa sa kanin. Ginagawa ko kasi, ito kasi pang salok ko. So kung ilan yung nilagay ko, gandang karami tubig lalagay ko. Parang, hindi ganun. Dodoblin ko. So dalawa, tas dagdagan ko pa ng dalawa pa ulit. Ganun. Yung iba sa amin, sinusukat. Hindi ko alam kung paano yun. Kung hanggang saan. Pero ganito ginagawa ko. Okay naman kinakalabas ko. Oh. Tapos na ako. Sila yung adobo nakatakip. Ha? A little bit. Yan, kumukulo na yung adobo na. Bali yung adobo ito yung adobong may sabaw. Kasi maraming klase ng adobo yung video. Yung iba may sabaw. Ayan. Let's go in muna.
Are we gonna add bay leaves? Polish.
How we call this in Philippines? Daon ng laurel.
Laurel. We call it laurel as well.
Yeah.
Leaf. Laurel.
Imagine daon ng laurel na.
That should be enough. And we're gonna add some of this one, peppercorns, Polish as well.
Yung ginagamit niya sa Filipino dish natin Polish na pasaw.
Remember, we're gonna
Ito
add.
yung kasi nilalagay natin yung ano.
Remember, we're gonna
Pepper.
add 1, 2, 3, 4. Because then when you eat it, you need to take it out. Because if you bite through it, it's terrible.
Bitter.
Yeah.
So yun, kailangan namin tanggalin mamaya yung
So we have 4.
pagkakainin namin.
And that's it. And now this one needs to cook for at least half an hour until the chicken is cooked through. And it's ready. And then we're gonna put some vinegar at the end.
Cool. Can't wait. Ngayon tapos na siya, hintayin na lang namin. How's it?
Ah, it's hot.
Hindi siya. Still not ready.
No. It's another 20 minutes.
Gutom na ako. 20 minutes pa raw. Balikan na lang ulit natin. Yan, malapit na rin maluto. Check natin. How's it?
I'm gonna add some vinegar.
Oh!
Then you have the first one. That's fine.
Now she can add vinegar on it. Oh, it smells vinegar.
Look, that's already cooked. Putting apart. But we'll leave it for another 5 minutes.
Alright. And sugar, no?
I added sugar already a little bit.
Okay. So yun, 5 more minutes na, tapos kakain na kami. Yan, luto na! It's ready. Kailangan natin na Filipino style spoon yung fork. Kasi dito knife and fork. Philippines spoon and fork. So sana magkamay ka lang mainit tsaka marami kamay ko para lasang-lasa mo. Kung tsara mo lang. Mainit kasi.
That's mine.
That's yours. Take this one, that's yours. Walang kanin.
There's like no sauce. I might put some butter. Take your chicken.
No, it's better like this.
But I want some sauce.
Parang yung lagyan ng sauce. Kasi medyo dry talaga siya. Yeah, put a little bit.
You just take your chicken first. But I don't need a spoon then.
Okay. Yep. Yan siya guys. Yun na guys, ready na. Man natin. Wala kaming table namin makalat kaya gusto lang muna kayo kakain. Enjoy!
Enjoy.
Man natin guys.
Good?
Mmm!
What?
Mabait mo ulit. Sarap guys. Lasang adobo talaga. It's very nice.
Thumbs up.
Yung kain muna kami guys. Dito ko na rin tatapusin yung cooking vlog ni Sylvia. Kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, don't forget to comment, like, share, click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng video namin at higit sa lahat
Subscribe!
subscribe please.